Okay guys, and welcome to my B-Swarm Experience. Nope, not that. My B-Swarm Experience mid-game. Part 1. It's basically going to be my B-Swarm Experience, but the mid-game. I can use that in 6 minutes. So we're only going to be buying from these shops. So we will be trying to get the the Mondo Chick belt bag, and then after that we'll try and get these, and then the Purslin Dipper, and then the Purslin Porto Hive.
Porcelain.
Why did you whisper?
I don't know.
Alright, let's go. This is the big 30 gate area. Wait, that's on it.
Wait, is it?
Yeah, that's
Wait,
on
what?
it. That's on it.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna go to the 30 area. But there's a level 35 area.
Yeah, that's where you get like all your upgrades from the other stuff. So the 30 area is just a quest place. Oh, Mondo Chick! Let's get the Mondo Chick.
Let's kill it, let's kill it.
We got him! Collect all the stuff!
Yeah! Let's go! Oh my! So much!
Can you stop?
Bro, you get like so much pollen.
You mean honey?
Yeah, that.
I want to. Can I? If there's a star egg that spawns, star jelly that spawns, can I please have it? Ooh,
Why would a
field
star jelly
dice.
spawn for this?
Cause they can.
Oh, you got a field dice?
Yeah, I got a
Oh,
field
that's lucky.
Is that it?
Bro, every single one of the honey bits gave at least 10,000.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Holy.
Should we just finish grinding up here?
I mean,
why do you really like grinding up here?
I don't know. I just feel like I get more stuff, but I'm gonna go down in the cactus because I have 2 times there.
Oh wait, remember we have the Mondo chick thing?
Yes, we also got a bonus.
Until the other Mondo chick spawns.
Wait, actually?
Yeah.
Yo! Wait, that's goated. We're gonna get so much money.
Alright, mine's finished.
My cactus field has 1 minute left. No. I mean, I could use a smooth dice.
What's a smooth dice?
Oh, it does the same thing, except it does 2 fields, and each field gets 2. The blue flower pollen because I am the closest to being finished with it.
Okay.
Yep. And then I can get all my hotshot badges.
Yeah. Well, that's where I'm going to end it off for my Beeswarm experience mid-game part 1. And hope you liked the thumbnail.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.